the Gampo? Where's Gampo? Where's Gampo? No, hands in the mouth. You want to try the rest of the bowl? No hands in the mouth.
9:30 left in the half. Bengals with a lead. A tale of two seasons for them, just like the Texans, but a flip-flop. First 8 games, 3-5, and the 7-1 run to end it. The numbers really solid. Let's take another look at that pick that Schaub just threw.
Now Casey's going to come flat. Problem here is Schaub cannot make this throw versus man coverage, undercutting the route like that. I give Leon Hall a ton of credit, but this ball can't come out. Look at the coverage right here. It's either got to come out immediately or not at all. Great job jumping the route by Leon Hall. Ball skills. Underrated aspect of being a defensive back. There's too many defensive backs in the league that can't catch. Leon Hall, former first rounder, paying off.
So Hall gives the Bengals a 7-6 lead, 4th straight game with a defensive touchdown. The Bengals on a defensive roll down the regular season. Daniel Manning comes out and gets it to the 20.
Dan, how would you like to dominate a football game, beat the other team up at the line of scrimmage, win every aspect of the game for a quarter and almost a half, and be trailing 7-6? Because that's what just happened on the strength of one play.
It's kind of frustration that Kubiak and the Texans have been feeling down the stretch of the season. So Schaub will try it again here from the 20. 9:24 left in the opening half. A rematch of last year's wild card between the Bengals and the Texans, but the Texans won last year. And here's Foster, good pursuit by the Bengals. They drive him out of bounds.
What you see?
Hey, Dan, remember the motto? Don't top Pecco on the first screen of the game? Check him out again. You want to talk about an instinctive nose tackle. Gets up the field, feels and sees screen, gets off the block of the rookie Brooks, chases him down from behind, and lets his buddies make the play. That's as good as it gets from a nose tackle twice so far in screen game.
Oh, I know, but hang on. You were just getting all restless.
Hero in that line with Atkins, Michael Johnson with all the sacks. Becko's led the line in stops 4 of the last 5 years.
You can sit up there like a big girl.
Solid team leader. 2nd and 15. Foster looking for the first down. Short of it, but a good gain for Arian Foster before he's finally brought down by Nate Clements after a gain of 13.
Yeah, this is pretty cool. This time they double team Pecco. They're going to get Pecco, but watch the cut in the hole by Foster. Boom, linebacker, make you miss. Luga did not even get a hand on him. In flag football, he wins. Forget tackle football. In the flag football league, he wins.
Watching him on tape, Mike, he makes moves that a 6'1", 230-pound back usually can't make. On 31, Foster with a first down and more, but that's one of the reasons
Look
the
there.
Texans
Grandpa keeps turning the fan on so you can see it.
5-year extension in March. He's got the Texans on the move again.
Grandpa keep turning the fan on for you.
With Foster yesterday, when I asked him in his own scheme, what's most important? What do you do well that distinguishes you? And he said, first it's about vision, and then it's about patience. Because in his own scheme, you got to wait for that ball to hit, and then you got
He says, I'm trying to figure out how my toys got up there. Okay, let's put them up there for you.
Foster, a 3-time Pro Bowler, and an interesting personality.
See, there he goes around and around in circles.
Foster mentions that he'll talk poetry with you, tell you what books he's reading, tell you what he's interested in, politics. Interesting guy. Grew up humble beginnings.
And he had 391 touches this year, which for a running back, when you want to talk about tread on the tires, man, that's a lot of touches.
Andre Johnson in motion at the top. first down. This is Jared Graham. Gain of 19. Mauluga finally brought him down.
Yeah, they're making a lot of hay on the underneath crossing routes here.
Outside, number 97 on the defense. A penalty is declined. The result of the play is the first down.
On Geno Atkins, but declined, and Houston on the move again, all the way down to the Bengal 39. Mauluga slow in getting up.
Yeah, what is that?
So we'll take a timeout here and be right back to Reliance Stadium.
It's